that was a cool person for you to see because you really sensed from the moment she came in that she's been looking everywhere for this experience.
Yeah.
And when she came in here, she's just so amazed. And even like when she's picking up, she's still just kind of amazed. Like, I guess this is this simple and like this good. And I'm like, yeah, this is what we do.
And she was ecstatic to, introduce herself and talk. And that was pretty cool. Like, she wasn't reserved at all.
Yeah.
She was excited.
Yeah. Very nice lady. And it's just cool. That's why we're doing this.
Yeah.
Julian, is just connect with people like that and help them. Hey, this is not rocket science.
Not at all.
We love glasses. We understand lenses. And we want to do it all in a minimal experience, an easy experience. And it's something we can enjoy. That's the whole point.
And I feel like most people kind of feel intimidated when they walk into like a Warby Parker or something like that, But if it's, especially when it's local too, you feel more welcomed or whatnot. It's not as intimidating, and it's like, if you don't know something, that's completely okay. Like, we are here to fill you in on what will look good on you and what won't.
Yep.